Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, we will be discussing the crimes against the fundamental laws of the state. Crimes against fundamental laws of the state. Crimes against fundamental laws of the state is governed by Title II of the Revised Penal Code. Nasa Title II po ito ng ating RPC. What are these crimes? Title II of the Revised Penal Code is divided into 4 sections. Section 1 deals with arbitrary detention and expulsion. It includes the crimes of 1. Arbitrary detention, 2. Delay in the delivery of detained persons to the proper judicial authorities, 3. Delaying release, and 4. Expulsion. Section 2 deals with violation of domicile. It includes the crimes of 1. Violation of domicile, 2. Search warrants maliciously obtained and abuse in the service of those legally obtained, 3. Searching domicile without witnesses. Section 3 deals with prohibition, interruption, and dissolution of peaceful meetings. Section 4 deals with crimes against religious worship. It includes the crimes of 1. Interruption of religious worship, and 2. Offending the religious feelings. We will discuss each of the crimes in separate videos, so subscribe and stay tuned. Crimes under this title, Title II of the Revised Penal Code, are those that violate certain provisions of the Bill of Rights. For example, the crime of arbitrary detention violates Section 1, Article 3 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution, which states that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of the laws. Who are liable under these crimes? Crimes against fundamental laws of the state. All offenses under this title can only be committed by public officers. As a general rule, public officers po ang nakakagawa ng mga crimes na ito. What are then the exceptions? The exceptions are as follows. First, with respect to the crime of offending the religious feelings, under Article 133 of the Revised Penal Code. Sa crime na ito, pwede pong private person ang makakakomit. Pwedeng yung private person lang ang gumawa or in conspiracy with public officer. Second, all other crimes under Title II. A private persons can be held liable in the following instances. First, when they conspire with public officer. Dapat may kakuntsabang public officer. Hindi pwedeng private person lang. Second, when they participate as either accomplices or accessories. Dapat ang principal dito ay public officer. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.